Today, let's talk about how to avoid ruining your bathroom surfaces. Cleaning your bathroom is essential, but doing it wrong can cause more harm than good. Before we start, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. And click the link below to check out our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist today. Now let's dive into the common mistakes and how to avoid them. Here's how to clean smart and safe. First up, harsh chemicals. Many people think that the stronger the chemical, the better the clean. But that's not always true. Bleach might disinfect, but it can damage grout and linger in the air. Over time, it can weaken the grout, causing it to crumble and deteriorate. Plus, the fumes can be harmful if inhaled regularly. Acidic cleaners like vinegar or lemon juice. They might seem like natural solutions, but they can be too harsh for certain surfaces. They can etch your beautiful natural stone. And those scrubby powders? They might seem effective, but they can cause micro scratches that dull the surface over time. They'll scratch delicate surfaces like acrylic tubs and shower doors. These scratches not only look bad, but can also harbor bacteria and mold. So, what's safer? Let's explore some gentler yet effective alternatives. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and mild abrasive. It's perfect for sinks, tubs, and toilets. It can tackle tough stains without damaging the surface. White vinegar is your go-to for soap scum and grime. It cuts through the buildup without the harshness of stronger chemicals. And Castile soap? It's gentle on surfaces and your skin. It's versatile and can be used for a variety of cleaning tasks around the bathroom. Don't forget ventilation. Proper ventilation is crucial when cleaning. Open windows, use fans, and always wear a mask with strong cleaners. This helps to dissipate any harmful fumes and keeps the air fresh. And never ever mix cleaners. Mixing different chemicals can lead to dangerous reactions. Combining bleach and ammonia can create toxic fumes. These fumes can be deadly and should be avoided at all costs. Choose your products wisely. Not all cleaners are created equal. Read labels, look for eco-friendly options, and consult a pro for specialty surfaces. Eco-friendly products are not only safer for your surfaces, but also for the environment. Regular maintenance, top-to-bottom cleaning, and soft cloths keep everything sparkling and safe. Cleaning from top to bottom ensures that you don't miss any spots and that dirt doesn't fall onto already cleaned areas. Remember, a clean bathroom is a happy bathroom. Your bathroom and your health will thank you. Taking the time to clean properly ensures a healthier environment for you and your family. Create a cleaning checklist. This helps you stay organized and ensures that no area is overlooked. A checklist can be a great way to keep track of what needs to be done and when. Set a timer for your cleaning sessions. This can help you stay focused and make the task feel more manageable. Breaking down cleaning into smaller, timed sessions can make it less overwhelming. Use microfiber cloths. They are highly effective at picking up dirt and grime without scratching surfaces. Plus, they are reusable and eco-friendly. Microfiber cloths are perfect for mirrors and glass surfaces. They leave a streak-free shine and are gentle on the surfaces. A squeegee is another great tool for keeping your bathroom clean. Use it on shower doors and tiles to remove water and prevent soap scum buildup. Organize your cleaning supplies. Keep them in labeled containers so you can easily find what you need. An organized cleaning caddy can make the process more efficient. For tough grout stains, use a toothbrush. It allows you to get into the small crevices and scrub away dirt and mildew. Just make sure to use a gentle cleaner to avoid damaging the grout. Consider using a steam cleaner. It's a chemical-free way to sanitize and clean your bathroom surfaces. The high heat kills bacteria and loosens grime, making it easier to wipe away. Don't forget the toilet. Use a toilet brush and a good toilet bowl cleaner to keep it fresh and clean. Regular cleaning prevents buildup and keeps your bathroom smelling fresh. Pay attention to the sink and faucet. These areas can accumulate soap scum and water spots. A gentle cleaner and a soft cloth can keep them sparkling. Finally, don't neglect the floor. Sweep and mop regularly to remove dirt and prevent slips. A clean floor completes the look of a spotless bathroom. Take a moment to admire your work. A clean bathroom is not only visually pleasing, but also contributes to a healthier living environment. Remember, regular cleaning and maintenance are key to keeping your bathroom surfaces in top condition. Your bathroom and your health will thank you. Leave us a comment below telling us which is your favorite hack. Click the link below to check out our free community, Made for Women, and get your free copy of our cleaning checklist. Thanks for stopping by today, and we'll see you in the next episode.